Hey guys, it's Casey. Today I'm going to show you how to use the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the light blue button on the right. I'm going to click on it and go to the top button here that says Keyword Explorer. So once I get here, I'm just going to type in my keywords into the search bar. And now that I've typed in my keywords, it's loaded and I can see that the overall score is a fair 40 out of 100. For my channel, it has good weighted competition, which you can see down here at the score analysis in the middle. And the search volume overall is poor. So I'm not going to use this tag because I would like better weighted competition. When your channel is small, you really have to rely on SEO in order to get found by other people. So I'm looking for something that has very good or excellent weighted competition. And you can also see in the overall score area, it says weighted, unweighted, and it explains to you what weighted is. And it says weighted is how good this score is for your particular channel. And then unweighted is how good this keyword is just in general, not for your particular channel. So if I go and click on the little button in the middle and I go to unweighted, it's a good 58 out of 100 score. The unweighted competition is excellent. So if you were the TubeBuddy channel, for example, which if you go to the results here, you can see that they own 9 out of 20 of the top search results. This keyword would work very well for one of their videos. And you can also see that my channel has 0 out of these 20 results. The total search results are 104,000, and there is one match that exactly fits this keyword phrase in the top results. And then you can see on the right, it has related searches to this topic, related topics, related Google searches, the interest over time on Google. So you can see here, there were 100 searches on April 4th, 2024 as to how to use the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer. And then for some reason, it says nothing after that. Then you go to YouTube and it says that there's not enough data for this keyword phrase in order to show anything. So you're not going to just do one keyword phrase, of course, because you want to find something that fits really well with your channel. And later, you're going to be able to use these for your YouTube video tags, and possibly it'll help you with deciding what your video title is going to be. We're going to go back to the Keyword Explorer and I'm going to enter another keyword in order to find something better that fits my channel. All right, now I've got this next keyword, advice for using the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer. Fair 25 out of 100, but the weighted competition is very good for my channel and the search volume is quite poor. But as a new channel starting out, it is good to use tags that have a higher weighted competition even if the search volume is very low, because that's the only way you're going to be able to find some people starting out. So this tag is something that I may use if I can't find another 20 tags that are better than this. Next tag is advice for using the Keyword Explorer TubeBuddy. Pretty much the same as the last one, but I just changed the location of the word TubeBuddy. Sometimes that makes a very big difference. In this case, the results are pretty much the exact same. Now we have guide to the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer, and you can see the weighted competition is pretty similar, but the search volume is even more poor. And here we have guide to quality SEO with TubeBuddy, and the weighted competition is a bit better than all the others, and the search volume is even worse. But essentially what I'm doing is I keep putting in keyword phrases and keywords until I can find something that goes really well with my channel. For example, even though a lot of these have very good weighted competition, the search volume is poor. So I might use some of these because it'll help get my channel found by people, even if it's a small amount of people. And in the future, when my channel is better competition-wise in the search rankings, I can change the tags on these videos and use tags with more search volume that I can also still rank high in the search results for. So when you're starting out, I highly recommend that you go for tags where your weighted competition is at least very good, even if the search volume is poor, because later on as you get viewers, you're going to be able to replace these tags of these videos and add tags to the new videos you make in the future that have higher search volume and still very good or excellent weighted competition. And so that's just going to take a little bit of time. I only have 4 videos right now. This is going to be the 5th. But if you keep sticking with it, it will eventually improve. And I can confidently say this because I used to have a gaming YouTube channel with 2,000 subscribers, which this strategy worked very well for me. It was very effective using TubeBuddy in this way, and I can confidently say that I got a lot of views from SEO. It was about 1/3 to 50% or more depending on the video. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. I'm going to end the video here. And if you guys liked my advice, and if you guys are interested in using TubeBuddy for yourself and you don't yet have it, check the description for a link. I've got an affiliate link, which will help me out if you guys do decide to get TubeBuddy. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say for this video. I hope you all have a good day. Toodles.